Hello everybody, this is Becky. So today with a cup of tea, I'm gonna review two of my sketchbooks. So this one is my very first sketchbook and it's from 8 years ago in 2012. And it took me 2 months to finish this. It's a very small sketchbook. And this one is my current sketchbook. It's a very large, it's an A4 size Moleskine watercolor album. And yeah, I started this one in February and I'm still working on it. Okay, already. So let's start with my very first sketchbook. This one is just a regular dry media sketchbook I got from my local art supply store for only $2. And yeah, so this is the first page, February the 11th, 2012. So I sketched myself holding and eating a banana, my old iPhone, and I sketched the ingredients I used for my dinner. My cup of coffee after lunch, apples in cubes, and the views outside my windows. Ice cream, teapot. I still have this teapot right now. I love it so much. And our houseplant, our teacup collection, and so just some random stuff in my room. Random little cute toy collections in my room. Some more, there's like a radio and there's like 2 toy ducks on my window. So basically I used a fine liner pen to draw, and I used pencil crayons for the colors. This one I use markers. Some more drawings. This is the view outside my the visual arts building outside the window. My classmates, the view outside the lecture room. More classmates, the view outside the ferry window. More classmate drawings. So these drawings looks quite awkward when I look back, but it's still, they're very good memories of my past years. It's just it's kind of like a very quick and impatient drawing with no colors. This is my course instructor of my university drawing class, and I drew my hand. People on the ferry, my mom talking on the phone. 2 old couple, one old couple on the ferry, and the islands I saw on the ferry. So yeah, these are very crude drawings. And then I started to use watercolors in April after 2 months sketching once a while. Not every day, but maybe a couple times a week. And this one I used kind of like a water-soluble pencil crayons. You know, the food containers, the vitamins on the dinner table, and just a bag and a hair clip. Here, these 2 are done with watercolors. And awkward watercolors of my breakfast. Pancakes and coffee for a late brunch at 1:30 p.m. Okay, I was waking up so late during my student ages. And my little toys, okay, and my painting brushes, my tea. Okay, random food items, eggs, my green onion pancakes, and milk tea. It's kind of an awkward drawing of a jar of pickles. Ooh, I didn't know how to use watercolors very well back then. And yeah, again, random stuff I have in my room. More food and drinks with watercolors. Yeah, so that's my early memories of how I use watercolors. That's a random drawing of my grandma's house. And This one, yeah, drawing in the kitchen. I've always been like drawing in the kitchen of my food and drinks. A bunch of ketchups, bread, punch. Last page, I drew a book. Ooh. And that's it. And this is my current sketchbook. This one is way more expensive. It's a Moleskine watercolor album, and it costed me $45. And I bought it from Amazon. Okay, let's start. So this is the title page. So for every sketchbook right now, I like to do a title page. This one I did a self-portrait in front of a mirror. I started this sketchbook on February the 20th. And here's more. Again, you know, over the years, I've always been like drawing my food and drinks because I feel like they're part of my life. They're the very essence of my life. And I went over to my friend's place and we had tea and we talked. That was a really wonderful afternoon before the pandemic begins. I really miss those old times with my friends. And lunchtime by myself at a cafe. And my kitchen, my hand, more food. So again, this one is the view outside my apartment window. And that's my dinner. Beef and beans chili soup with my homemade cornbread. This one is the view outside a cafe after talking to a friend. And this one is at a brunch place with my friend on a Saturday. We ordered waffles and I had a cappuccino and I sketched the view outside the window with my food. Some more. And this one is my lunchtime at a pub. I ordered a pizza and a chai latte. And I really liked all of these colored bottles on the shelves. Again, my dinner. And this is the second last class before the university was closed because of the pandemic. And I'm so glad I sketched my classmates and my professor. Now I miss them so much. So over 8 years of sketching, I found that I've improved not only in technical skills, but also I'm more confident and more precise and more patient. And sketching the things around me almost every day helps me to feel happy and positive about life. Focusing on the things I have in my life instead of the things I don't have. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, click subscribe so you can see more of my updates. And I hope you all stay safe and healthy during this challenging time.